Takbo. Huwag kang mahuhulog. Pag nahulog ka bakla ka. Pag nahulog ka bakla. Pag nahulog. What's up guys? Maglalaro tayo ng isang map ngayon sa Minecraft na tinatawag na Scorpion at Desert Adventure. Ito isang map kung saan may story siya. Tapos titingnan natin kung ano nga bang nangyari. Okay, tingnan mo natin itong rules. Single map, no cheating, make sure the resources pack is working. That means, okay. Kapag namatay tayo is patay tayo tapos itong video to. At yung story. Story nga niya guys, tayo ay isang minero nagtatrabaho sa minahan. At sa habang tayo ay nagmamine ay nakakita tayo ng diamonds. Ang diamonds na ito ang magiging dahilan kung bakit tayo mapupunta sa ibang lugar. Sa pamamagitan ng pagkita natin ng isang portal kung saan tayo hinigup nito at dinala sa disyerto. Primary goal natin dito ay kung paano makabalik at hanapin ang susi pabalik sa normal na mundo. Adventure 18, anong nangyari sa'yo? Oh, ito ang kaibigan naman natin na naligaw ata. Oy, pares tayo. And I found a piece when I pressed the portal. Portal dragged me until I ended up here. Luckily, I held onto the portal key. The key! Nahulog ko yung susi kanina nung nangyari sa akin yan. Okay lang yan, pwede na yung gamitin yung susi ko. I was not sure or not afraid of takot ka kung saan. Scorpion. Sino yung Scorpion na yun? Uy, pinapatayin siya ng Scorpion. Buhay niyo Emerald Shard and that's why I'm running away from him. He knows where the portal is. Yes. I don't know, man. I think this is dangerous. You have no choice. You must stay here. Well, come with me. I'll find out where it is. But before that, go check it. Make a sword. Wait lang pala. Ayusin ko lang pala FOV. Okay. Sword. Huwag na rin nantong sapot. Tara na. Gagawa daw tayo ng sword. Diamond sword. Okay. Then. Looks like handa ka na. Uy, di pa nga pala ako nagpakilala. Ako nga pala si Mustafa, the owner of the gate. Uy, tayo si Miguel. Nga pala guys, pinalitan nila yung skin kung mapapansin nyo. Hindi ito yung skin ko, pinalitan nila. Yep, dahil ngayon ako si Miguel. By the way, sindo pala na siya. Mustafa. Dahil Mustafa. Uy, chapter 2, the storm trap. Dali mo. Ouch. Anong gagawin natin? Diretso? Diretso ba? Ayaw na magsalta. Oh. My friend, pay attention. Okay, ano yan? Zombie. Panis. Yung touching purple things. Tapos, saan tayo? Dito ba? Dito ba? Sige, dito. Hindi kasi nabasa ko na yun, sorry. I turned on the electricity in an abandoned building. You have to hurry up, search before he finds us. Horror ba to? Parang sabi hindi to horror. By the way, maglalaro tayo ng horror kapag nakapag-ipon na ako ng lakas ng loob. Nakakatakot lang kasi. Parang horror. dito pala sa pinto. Okay, ano to? Come here. Okay, wala rin ito. Wala din. Come here. Okay, sure, come here. Final tayo. Ito yung cutscene by the way. Kanina cutscene. Hindi ko alam kung ano nasa likod ng pintong to. Maybe ito yung portal. Great, tara na. We need an access card. It's in letter in the one of the rooms. There are 2 rooms, one on the upper floor and lower. Just speed up your search. Go down and go up. Okay, let's go. Di tayo sa taas. Toxic daw yan na. Toxic daw. Ano ba to? Pwede ba na? Pwede natin kunin. Sheesh. As you can see here, we're working on some invention, whether we or not, but we did not focus much in their own. If you in a box, you see some failed invention. In box B, there are some crafting. Yeah, no, in box C, are reserve and records. And there were left, you'll find a CD recorder. Okay. Pero, paano natin ito matitibag? Okay, weapons. Wow, golden apple. Audio recording. Ang totem. Kailangan na ito. Lab 2. Shield. Ah? What? Paano tayo nagkaroon ng armor? Pero okay. Ano sabi? Yung box A failed. Wala pa ito. Ito. After research, we diary, okay. Is exposed to danger as the weapons are very powerful and helping defense in attack. Into mineral materials extracted on it. What you talk top. We had to find a solution even if it led killing people. Kayang papatay ya. Ay naibad. Tok. Kaya ba to? Ito and go! Oh my god, what happened here and who are these people? Enchant. Meron saan tayong lapis? Potion of Scorpio. Kunin natin lahat yan, oh. Test 2, test 1. Huwag na nga ito. Anong gagawin natin dito? Lab 3. Ano naman to? Yeah. Run away. Gagawa sila ng sakit tas sila din yung gagamot. Nintado ata sila eh. Okay. So, try ko, pakak. Equipment. Ooh. I need to find something to remove the debris. Wala. Ayaw mabuksan. Wala. Uy. Look up behind you. Gago. Oh. Kala ko jumpscare. Let's go, iron pickaxe. Nabahan ako dito, look up and behind you. Natakot talaga ako sa mga horror. Pwede ba natin itong gamitin dito? Pwede. What is this? Calls. Here. Ito yung entry card. Okay, nakuha na pa na dito. Failed inventions. Beacon. It is no use. Cheers. Kuha na rin natin, sayang. Rock copper. Kuha natin, sayang. I have to get back and look for Mustafa. Registered. Na kay Mustafa siguro yung key card. Oh. Mustafa. Walang keycard, Mustafa. Hi to you, my new friend. I don't know what to do, but I'm coming. Si Mustafa, napahamang yan si Mustafa. Cave. Saan tayo? Check mo na dito. This door leads me up, but it is destructive. The door leads me up, but this is destructive. Saan ba tayo pwede pumasok? Okay. Sino yun? Tayo to. Miguel, be careful, team. It's good you came at the right time. What are you talking about? Tingnan mo. Siya si Scorpion. Ikaw pala nasa loob natin to. I came for the team, so I earned the time to get a kid that way. I told you I'm here for the same reason. I want to go back to my world. Why didn't you say so you could share the key? Are you stupid? This can't be. Guess when using the portal will disappear whether you enter or exit. Unfortunately, I left my portal, so I'll have to force a key to get blocked. As if I would let you have it, I have no choice. I'll take the key by force. Task, attack a Scorpion. Attack. Uy. Beware of sand and purple blocks. Saan will be to alert you if you're ready? Ready. I'll take your baby. Uy, di abot. Uy! I'm bored. I must... Di ka makalapit, boy. Ano ka? Chill, boy. Then give me a date. Enough, I'm bored. S1, you're blocking my way to my world. Gusto ko hindi mo eh. In a place where you will never see the sun. What do you mean? Wait, ano sinabi mo? Uy, ouch. No. Chapter 3, Master. Uy, nawala sword natin. Man, sakit ng ulo ko. But run for your life. Pap. Okay, palitan natin to. Tote mo, pandayin, takbo. Eh, parkour. Grabe yun. Aray ko, takbo, pre. Pre, takbo. Pre. Gag, nasan? Wait ba tayo? What a dodge. Uy. Hey. Oh. Gago, pre. Uy. Hey. Nakakatakot. Takbo! Huwag kang mahuhulog. Pag nahulog ka, bakla ka. Pag nahulog ka, bakla ka. Pag nahulog ka, Miguel, bakla ka. Pag nahulog ka, bakla ka. Okay. Whew. Grabe, nakakatakot. Kahit wala pa, doon pa lang ha. Sarado, sarado, sarado. Okay. So, uy, portal. Ito na yung portal. Master. Portal.